Hello world, I am Manish and welcome to Cybosocks. In this video, you are going to learn how robot move its arm, how robot dustbin open its lid. The answer of all these questions are servo motor. Let's understand what servo motor is. Servo motor is a motor which moves 0 degree to 180 degree. We use servo motor in robot arms and legs so robot arm can move to specific angle. We can also use servo for different projects like smart dustbin which open its lid when someone comes near it. Let's build our robot. Alright everyone, now it's time to build our robot. Today we will be using Cybosocks Robot Kit 2.0 step by step from scratch. This kit is specially designed for make robotics fun, simple and hands-on. So your kid can learn robotics and programming. Assemble your car using Cybosocks car assembly manual. First connect our USB to our brain. Now let's connect other end of the USB to our computer. Now connect first servo motor to 3-pin cable and other end of 3-pin cable to sensor 1 port. Now connect servo motor to 3-pin cable and other end of 3-pin cable to sensor 2 port and connect plate to servo motor. Let's understand flowchart and algorithm of this program. We are starting our program. After this, we are creating our servo 1 and servo 2. We are attaching two servos with our brain. After this, we are setting initial angle to 0 and direction 1. What does this mean? Initial angle is 0. We are starting our servo angle from 0 and direction 1 means we are increasing in the direction from 0 to 180. If direction is -1, it means we are going from 180 to 0. After this, we are setting our angle and increase or decrease by 10 with respect to direction. If direction is 1, we are increasing by 10. If direction is -1, we are decreasing by 10. We are checking two conditions. First, if angle is greater than equal to 180. If it is true, we are setting our angle to 180 and direction to -1. As we know, servo motor moves from 0 to 180. So if angle is greater than equal to 180, means we can't go forward, so we are reversing our direction. Similarly, for angle less than equal to 0, we are setting angle to 0 and direction to 1 because after we reach 0 we can't decrease more, so we have to reverse our direction and go from 0 to 180. Let's understand the algorithm. We are creating servo 1, we are creating servo 2, we are setting starting angle to 0 and we are setting direction to 1. Then we are starting infinite loop and setting servo 1 position to current angle and setting servo 2 to current angle. Then we are increasing and decreasing the angle based on direction. If angle reaching 80, lock at 180 and reverse the direction. If angle reaching 0, lock at 0 and set direction to 1. Wait for 0.2 second and repeat this loop forever. Let's code our servo motor program. Let's open our Google Chrome and search Cybo socks and hit enter and visit cybosocks.com. On the top panel, as you can see, we have block editor. First, always initialize our pin as we have done in our algorithm. Go to pin and devices and pick get PWM servo motor. Write our name servo 1. Pick sensor 1 port. Next duplicated. Write servo 2 and pick sensor 2 port. After this, in our algorithm, we created our initial angle or initial direction. Let's create two variables. Go to variables and string, pick create variable. Go to variables and string and pick value block. Write our variable name to angle and value to 0. Let's create our second variable, that is direction. Write direction. Initial direction will be 0 to 180, means 1. In our algorithm, after this, we created continuous loop. For this, go to control, pick while do block. After this, set its condition to true. After this, in our algorithm, we set the angle of our servo motor. After this, go to ESP logic, pick set servo angle, write our servo name, that is servo 1, and initial angle is angle. Copy this, write our second servo name. Now we have setted our servo angle. What was the next step in our algorithm? Yes, increasing or decreasing according to direction. For this, go to create variable, pick angle. Now we are increasing our direction. For this, go to operators and pick addition block. For the first value, it will be angle. Or second will be direction into 10. For this, go to operator and pick arithmetic block. Choose multiplication, duplicate the direction block, put it here, duplicate our number block, put it here, and set its value to 10. After this, in our algorithm, we checked if angle is greater than equal to 180 or less than equal to 0. For this, go to control, pick if block, click on wheel icon, drag else if below if. Now we are going to set our condition, that is angle greater than equal to 180. For this, go to operator, pick comparison block, choose greater than equal to, duplicate angle block, duplicate value block, set its value to 180. What will happen if angle is greater than equal to 180? Yes, we will set our angle to 180 and direction to -1. Copy this block, set our angle to 180, duplicate direction block and set direction to -1. Now our second condition, angle less than equal to 0. Duplicate our condition block, choose less than equal to and change a 180 to 0. Again duplicate for angle and set 0 and duplicate and direction and set its direction to 1. Then we will wait for 0.2 second. Now code is completed. Click on connect brain button. Choose USB serial. Click on connect. After connecting successfully, click on run code. As you can see, our both servo motor is running from 0 degree to 180 degree and 180 degree to 0 degree. Let's compare our flowchart with our code. We are creating servo 1 and servo 2. To achieve this, we are using get PWM servo motor block and connecting to sensor 1 port of our brain. Similarly, for servo 2, we are attaching to sensor 2 port. We are setting our initial angle to 0 and direction to 1. We are setting our initial angle to 0 and direction to 1. Then we are setting our angle for servo 1 and servo 2. For to achieve this, we are using set servo angle block where I will put servo name and its angle. Similarly, I am doing this for servo 2 and set its angle. After this, we are increasing or decreasing angle by 10 with respect to direction. To achieve this, we are using create variable and increasing or decreasing our direction by 10. If direction is positive 1, angle will be added by plus 10 into direction. If direction is -1, angle will be angle plus 10 into minus d, that is angle minus 10d. Next, we are checking our condition. If angle is greater than 180, we are setting angle to 180 and direction to 1. If angle is greater than 180, we are setting angle to 180 and direction to 1. Similarly, if angle is less than equal to 0, we are setting to angle to 0 and direction to 1. To achieve this, we are checking the else if condition, angle is less than 0 and we are setting angle to 0 and direction to 1. Great job! Now you have understood how robot moves its arm, how robot dustbin open its lid. In our next project, we are going to make smart dustbin. In this smart dustbin, if dustbin detects anyone near it, it will open its lid. We can throw dust in it. After this, it will close by itself. If you understood how servo motor works, how to set its angle, how to rotate it, please like this video and subscribe our channel.